Shanghai Junhua Hightech Materials Company Limited, located in Shanghai, China, is a modernized high-tech corporation which is dedicated to the development, production, processing, and sales of new and multifunctional household cleaning products. We have more than 50 employees, and our factory area are over 5,000 square meters, with various kinds of production and processing machines. Now, our main products are melamine sponges, also called melamine foams, cellulose sponges, polyurethane sponges, scouring pads, stainless steel scrubbers, and floor polishing pads. For our products, we have brands like Mokaka and Versota. If requested, we can also offer OEM services at very competitive price with fast delivery. We have ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, and BSCI certifications. Our products have been sold to many overseas markets and regions like Japan, South Korea, United States, and Europe. Meanwhile, cooperating with domestic renowned scientific research institutions, we are also capable of supplying high-tech fireproof foam materials with excellent performance of thermal insulation, sound, and shock absorption, which are widely used in the fields of buildings, automobiles, vessels, trains, industrial equipment, and daily use electronics. Taking integrity, environmental protection, scientific and technologic innovation as the core business philosophy, we provide our best service for all our customers and partners domestically and abroad, striving to achieve the win-win cooperation.